look like a crazy lady right now. This is too much. I can't do this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, because those two things really help my channel. So today we are going to be creating this really pretty purpley pink look that I created. I was in the mood for some beautiful purpley pink colors and this is what I came up with. So if you guys are interested to see how I created this look, then let's just get right into it. So to start off this makeup look, I'm going to be using the Banana Bright Face Primer from Henriksen. I'm just going to take a pump and I'm going to apply it on my face. It's so hard to do your makeup when you have hair in your face. Like, that's why like 90% of the time when you see my videos, I literally have my hair back because it just gets in the way. Like, kudos to anybody who can actually do their hair and then do their makeup, because I usually do it the other way around. But when you film videos, like, you want to look good. So next I'm going to be taking the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation in the color 260. And yes, this is not the container that it comes in, but my doggy Paisley decided that she wanted to mess around with it and bit and chewed the bottom of it. So I just plopped it into this container that was empty and here we are today. So start with one pump. And I'm gonna just start dabbing away. I need a little bit more. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Do you like it? I think it's cute. The one good thing about my roots growing out means that, like, if I get foundation in them, that means my roots aren't going to be orange. So thank you, quarantine, for that. I look like a crazy lady right now. This is too much. I can't do this. I'm just trying to look cute. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the color Nude. I haven't used this in so long, but we'll just give her a go. I kind of like how this color looks with this foundation, not gonna lie. Usually I like the brighter kind of look where it's like a really noticeable highlight under my eyes, but this is kind of nice. It's just like really like subtle concealer, but I just love the coverage of the Born This Way because it's just so amazing. So now I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D or KVD Beauty Shade and Light contour palette here. I'm just going to go in with, you know, I kind of mix all of the contour colors together because I just like it. So I just do it. And stipple that in. Remember that you don't want to like drag at this point, especially because we already have products underneath. If you drag it, it's actually going to turn into like a nasty like smeary mess, so we don't want to do that. So make sure you're just dabbing, patting everything in. I think contouring is probably my favorite besides bronzing. It's just so like satisfying to me for some reason. It just really is my favorite part of doing my makeup. Whoa, that was a lot. Hello, blend, blend, blend. I'm sweating. It is so hot up here. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just going to, you know, do my thing here. Oh, we got some creasing. Now I'm going to be using my ColourPop Coconut Beach bronzer. I literally just love the color this gives my skin. Usually a lot of bronzers, because I have such a pink undertone, will kind of give me that like pink look, but this one does a pretty good job with like staying bronzy, which is like my goal. Really bronze up that forehead. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh setting spray here. I'm gonna just go ham. Ready? Woo! Now I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Glow Kit and I'm gonna be taking the color Summer here, and I'm gonna apply that to my cheekbones. So to prime my lids, I'm going to be using ColourPop's Pretty Fresh Concealer. It is in the color Light 45W. And I'm just going to apply some of that on my lid here. And then taking a Morphe E27, which is just this big fluffy brush here. I just use it to blend in my concealer. so I'm not sticking my fingers. So I like to use this brush to kind of pat and set everything into place. If you weren't to set the concealer on your eyelid, it's going to actually cause more creasing. People usually use their setting powder, but I just personally like to pat it till it's like not tacky anymore with my brush. I've just gotten better results that way. So going in with my Morphe 441 and the Huda Beauty Nude palette here, I'm going to be taking the color Teddy, which is right here, and I'm going to use this as my transition color, so I'm just going to go a little ham with this color. You really want to make sure you blend it all the way up to that brow bone. Leave a little bit of space, but really blend it all the way up there. Spread this color out because this is our base, and we're all about the base. Then I'm going to just go in and kind of blow it out to the side here, just so it's not too like, it ends right there. It doesn't look so harsh. We're just going to blend her out. Also from the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to be taking this color here, which is called Tickle, with the same brush, and I'm going to do almost the exact same thing, just not bringing it up as high. This is just going to kind of intensify the color while starting to darken this base as well. Now I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Next. I actually love this palette so much. It's just got so many beautiful pink colors, and I love pinks and purples, and it's just 10 out of 10. I love this palette. I'm going to go in with my Morphe 506 brush, and I'm going to just really pack this in. As you can probably tell, this is a main color here, but I really want to pack it in the crease, and then I'll go back in with the Morphe M441, and then I'll kind of blend it out. So personally, when I do my like makeup looks, especially cut creases, I like to bring that dark color up pretty high, because personally when I cut my crease, it does go up really high because I have a pretty big eyelid. So bringing those colors up a little bit higher help to bring out those bold colors instead of hiding them. Next, I'm going to be using the color Crazy, and this is going to kind of be one of the second darkest ones. I did use a little bit of black on my other eye, so just to really intensify it, but this will kind of be like the main dark color. And like I said before, I'm kind of bringing it up a little bit higher just because I know that when I cut my crease, it's going to be gone if I make it too low. Blend it out again because we don't want it to be a harsh line, so just blend, blend, blend. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to just cut the crease. I like to do this really early when I'm doing my cut creases because then I really know what it's going to turn out to look like. So I just pat some and look up. Kind of gives me, oh, I need a little bit of a close-up here. This is too far away. I cannot see. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in just like I did before, and I'm just going to pat it so it's not super tacky and just like sticking everywhere that it shouldn't be sticking right now. Okay, now I have a clear line of where my colors should be ending, and I'm just going to go in now with the neck. Oh, wait, what color is it? Crazy. That darkest color we just used, and I'm just going to reapply that in the crease. Next, I'm going to be going in with the color Temptress here. It is a nice matte black. Actually, no, it kind of has some shimmer into it. And I'm just going to be using the smallest bit because you don't want to go too crazy, too extra, but I just really want this to be a nice dark color to really make it more dramatic. I'm going to be taking the color, I need Palo, I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm going to be taking this color here, and I'm going to apply it on my lid. I'm just going to be taking a flat brush here, and I'm just going to take this all over my lid. Then to kind of darken it up, I'm going to be taking the color Empowered here, and I'm going to use that more on the outer corner to kind of blend that all in together, just to make it look a little bit more blended and beautiful. Now to finalize this look, I'm going to be using the color I'm In It. It's just a really, really nice like pearly color, and it looks really great on top of these shadows, so I'm just going to take a whack of that, and I'm just going to pat it onto my lid, and it's just going to give a really nice purpley pink reflect, which really puts this look together for me. I don't know, it just kind of like brightens it up and makes it look super cute. Now I'm just gonna go in and apply my mascara and get ready for some beautiful false lashes. So for my lashes, I am using Means Beauty X Lashes in the style Icy. These lashes are just so beautiful and amazing. I am totally obsessed. I think they've become my new favorite pair of lashes that aren't like super extra. They're just like a really nice, subtle, good for everyday lash, and I am here for it. I need like a fan. My eyes water so much when I put lashes on. This is insane. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. So the eyes are done and they look great. I love them. I love this pink vibe. I'm obsessed with it, low-key. Yes. But the hardest part for me is always figuring out what kind of lip to do with my makeup looks. I don't know. I personally love a good nude lip. Then I think, how would a nice dark lip go over? You know what? I might just gloss it. I think I'm just going to lip gloss it. Yeah, So for the gloss, this is just like a little mini gel gloss, ultra brilliant, ultra shine lip, and I think it's in the color Perfect Nude. I just got this in one of the little mini Sephora kit things, so not really sure, but it kind of works. It'll be good enough. So I fixed my hair and made it look a little better. Okay, so now it looks not so crazy. So this concludes this pretty purpley pink makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, remember, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!